Hi, I'm Lars Ballow, and I want to give you a short introduction to Microsoft Service Hub and Microsoft Teams rooms. We are using coordinated join. So we set up the Microsoft Teams rooms to coordinated join, but we also added the provisioning file into the Microsoft Service Hub. So in this case, in this setup, these two are working perfectly together. So when do we want to do it? Well, in this case, we want to do it because we have a great camera here, the Logitech Rally Cam. We could have like this one, the Lenovo Hub 500, the microphone, there's the speakers. It could also be external microphone and speakers that we have added it. But in this case, we want to use it because we want to have the best experience for the users. So imagine that we enter the meeting room. We simply just hit the meeting join button, and then we are turning on the video feed, but also look at the Service Hub. It actually joins the feed automatically. So since I'm doing everything myself here in this meeting room, I can't really do the laptop myself. So I invited my guest, the Crown Prince of Denmark, to this call. So as you see, we joined the video feed with the Logitech Rally Cam, which is connected to the Microsoft Teams rooms. And we also did join with the microphones and the speakers from that system. But if we go to the Service Hub, we actually did also join on this device on the Service Hub, but only as a content display. So for instance, if we want to start the meeting with doing some kind of collaboration, we can do that. Or we could simply start using it as a secondary display with the coordinated join. So in this case, I could start by writing, and we will be able to have this as a content. If we still do get the video feed at the Service Hub, and if you don't like that, we could simply just do a full screen of the Microsoft whiteboard. But for instance, if you have a specific case where you would like to have the video feed from the Service Hub, we could simply go to the camera and turn on the camera on the Service Hub as well. So when you do the setting in this case on the Service Hub, the provisioning file, you simply just make the how you would like the Service Hub how to work. So in this case, I have allowed that I'm able to turn on my video feed from the Service Hub, but I did also choose that I'm not allowed to turn on my audio on the Service Hub. So in that case, I make sure that we don't get this echo in the meeting room, but it's very simple to set up and it's very easy for the users to use, in this case with the Microsoft Teams rooms and the Service Hub.